in case if the attached group itself is branched, say for example, if you have a compound like CH3, CH2, 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 4, 5, and then 6. And the thing itself is branched. Okay, if it is like this, where this thing itself is branched, so actually wherever the branches are concerned, we have to give importance to the branching, number of the branching, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if it is a 6, it becomes hexane. Okay, and in the second position, again here this is 1 and 2. So in the second position there is an ethyl. So in the second position there is an ethyl. So 2, in the ethyl there is a substitution of this thing. So 1 dash dimethyl ethyl hexane. Okay, in the second position there is no doubt an ethyl, so to this thing, but in the substitution itself there is a further branching. In the branching itself there is a further branching, so 1 dash dimethyl ethyl hexane. This is a name. Hope you are able to get it. And in case if this is a cyclic compound, okay, and you know very well this is cyclohexanone. This is cyclohexane, and in case if there is a substitution in the cyclohexane, there is a methyl substitution here, and there is a propyl substitution here. Then how to number it? So again alphabetically, first is methyl. Okay, so this is first is methyl, and the second is this thing. So then is propyl. So this is 1 is numbered here, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So this is 1 methyl. Okay, 3 propyl cyclohexane. Okay. 1 methyl, 3 propyl cyclohexane. And in case if this there is branching in the in one of the carbons there is a branching. So wherever there is a branch, so this is methyl. So this is methyl and this is ethyl, but then while naming we have to give preference to the one which is more branched. The more branched carbon gets the preference, so this becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So numbering will not start from here. It is not 1 ethyl. It is not 1 ethyl. 3 dash dimethyl cyclohexane. This is wrong. So this is 1 dimethyl or 1 dash dimethyl. Okay, 3 ethyl cyclohexane. So this is the right way of putting. So now functional groups. For functional groups, how to name the functional groups in IUPAC? Okay, functional groups in IUPAC. all alkanes will be ending as ane. Okay, alkenes will be ending as ene. Okay, these are all suffixes. Okay, so if I write the word s, it will be meaning suffix. Okay, so this is suffix. So it will be s. Alkane, alkenes, alkynes will be yne. Okay, so then in case if there is a chlorine, bromine, any halogen group attached, then it will be halo something. So this is prefix. Okay, it will be haloalkanes, haloharenes, all those things. Okay, haloalkanes. So this is a prefix. Okay, and in case if it is aldehyde, it will be ending as al suffix. Okay, if it is a ketone, it will be ending as one suffix. In case if it is a carboxylic acid, that is COOH group. Aldehyde we know CHO. Okay, this is C double bond O. Okay, C double bond O, or if you want, I can write it more legibly here. So this is a ketone ends with ONE, and if it is a carboxylic acid, this will be oic acid. So this is a suffix. Okay, in case it's an amine, it is okay, ending as amine, that is amino, it will be ending as amine. In case if it is CONS2, it will be ending as amide. Okay, in case if it is a nitro, it will be NO2, it will be a nitro in the prefix. Okay, and in case if it is ether, it will be alkoxy. Alkoxy, this is a prefix. Okay, in case if it is an ester, okay, it will be ending as OAT. Okay, so it will be ending as OAT. So these are the prominent things. I think we have covered almost all. Amine, amide, everything is now covered. So this is the way the prefixes and the thing are named. Okay, so yes, oil halide. If there is an SO3H, then it will be acting as sulfonic acid as a suffix. Okay, then what else is there left? Almost all the groups we have named. Nitro, this thing, okay. Amide also, CONS2 is an amide. Nitro group, alkoxy, SO3H. Okay. So these are the way in which the IUPAC names are given for the functional group. And of course, depending upon the number of carbons attached to the functional group, it will be eth, meth. Like, so it will start with the meth, eth, one carbon is meth, Okay, in case if it is CH3 HCHO, this is methanol. Okay, it is CH3C double bond OCH3, this is propanone. So like that it will be.